We're having a chilly day. Who would think we'd have a chilly day this late in the season? It's already like well into March. But we're having a chilly day. It's supposed to be 57. 57 for a high, and you can tell by these guys being all snuggled up together. Isn't that cute? Henry and Seymour. Oh, look, Seymour's got his foot on top of Henry's foot. That's so cute. You boys are really cute. And Allie's over here. They're all snuggled up to each other. Are they making a heart? I guess you could say they're making a heart. Look at that. There's the heart. A heart with 3 kitties this time. So now it's the next day, and it's raining again. Another buffalo day in Quartzsite. I showed Seymour in there earlier. He's in the container now. I mean the carrier. And Allie's going to be going in the carrier now, and Henry's in his carrier, and you'll see him later. It's travel day, Allie. You ready? We're leaving Quartzsite in a few minutes.
It was a nice season here, and it's always hard to leave. We're all happy. We're happy to be, because we have the joy of the Lord.
We're on our way.
On our way.
Henry, are you ready to go? Are you ready for the trip, Henry? Yeah? Henry's ready. Okay, good. I'll show Quartzsite as we drive through. Oh, Goodyear blimp.
It is a Goodyear blimp?
It is a Goodyear. It's a Goodyear blimp.
Wow.
Okay, that's it. We left Quartzsite.
We love Quartzsite, and I'm kind of just a little sad that we're leaving Quartzsite. Sad to be leaving our friends. our friends at the church, and pretty much, I think it was an interesting season, don't you, hon?
Yeah, it was fun. It was a nice season.
It was a nice season, and God willing, those things that were done to our RV will last for a very, very long time.
Today we had something called a soft start put on the air conditioner so that we can turn it on with one generator, because we've had two generators. We've had two Honda 2000s since we started out, since the first time we got into Phoenix. We bought them, and Sal's had to drag out two generators. Hello, Henry. Sal's had to drag out two generators every time we wanted to use the air conditioner. So we heard about this soft start, and I think it's actually safer for the air conditioner and might make it last longer. So we decided to get it, and that's why we're actually leaving a couple of days late. Right, Henry? And we had that done this morning before we left. It's 10:48 now, so we didn't get too bad of it. We made it to Tucson, boys. Ollie. Hello, Ollie. Bo. Oh, I see you. Hello, Henry. Did you have a nice trip, Bo? Okay. Hello, Mo. Hello. What are you doing, Mo? Did you have a nice trip? Hmm? Did you have a nice trip, Mo? I love you. You too, Henry. You too, Allie. Well, we made it to Tucson.
We did.
Hopefully we're going to see our friend tomorrow, Scott.
Yes, Scott. I always love seeing him. He's awesome. He's a good friend of ours. He's gonna come and hang out with us for a little bit.
And his wife's actually in Quartzsite, so we won't see her this time. She left. We left on the same day that she went there. So
Yeah, she saw us as she was going to Quartzsite. We were going the other way. We didn't see her though, but she saw us.
well, so I had the buffet.
I did. That was really good. Oh my gosh, that beef, the barbecue sauce on it was so good.
Yeah, it sure was. Shima, what are you looking for? You looking for dinner? Yeah? Oh yeah, it's 10:20. Seymour says it's time to feed me now. And Ollie too? Ollie? Yeah? Almost time for bed.
Yeah, I think so.
We had so much going on, I think we could use some rest.
I think so. Hopefully it'll be a nice quiet night.